Hey guys, this is the first video we're doing here for the Razer phone. I'm so excited about this phone. This phone is a gamer phone. It's a $699. Today video we're doing about the factory reset. How to factory reset. We try so many things. The volume up, volume down, power, both of them connected to the computer, connected to the charger, holding this, try to go into download mode. We spent so many hours to try to hack this little Razer, man, or big laser. This is the first phone for this company. It's so crazy. The battery is crazy. There is so many reviews on it. It's not a cheap phone. So we try so many things, but in the end we give up. There is really no way. So we end up pick up the phone, call Razer, say, hey Razer, we are really forget the password. I forget the password. I was using it. I need to factory reset the phone. And the answer came, really cannot do anything about it. You cannot do anything about it. You have to fill the form. When did you buy it? And then send it to us. We get you a replacement. This phone here is not a cheap phone. I have no idea why they do this. So there is a two-way only. Either you send it to Razer and they give you a replacement, another one, and absolutely I'm positive you're gonna lose all the data. The second thing so you can do, you can go to your Gmail and wipe the passcode or wipe your account, and then you can go to the phone. That's the only two-way right now. I don't think there is another way. If you have any concern or any suggestion or you can do it, please comment so we can do another video on it. Thank you so much.